Hello and welcome to the USS Triton Sail Park. This is a place where you can learn about a piece of military history while enjoying some time outdoors. Working with the U.S. Navy, the Port of Benton was able to preserve the sail of the Triton in 2011 and create this beautiful park. An interesting fact about the Triton is that it was known for circumnavigating the globe while staying submerged. This helped in showcasing the might of the U.S. Navy's first-generation nuclear-powered submarines during the Cold War. The park is open all year round to tour the exterior of the sail. However, if you are also interested in viewing the interior, then you'll need to request a guided tour, which is only available between March 15 and November 15. More information on how to set this up can be found on the website, which I will link to in the description. Here's a picture from the National Archive that shows the USS Triton with the sail still attached to the rest of the hull while she's out to sea. When walking up to the site, be sure to check out the 3 panels located in front of the sail, as they will tell you about a brief history of the sub, the course it took when it circumnavigated the Earth, and the vessel's specifications. The USS Triton was originally designated SSR, as its primary role was radar picket. It was later changed to SSN as it was refitted to be an attack submarine. Now, while walking around outside, you can see the components of the sail have been restored, as well as the hull number, 586. It's quite an imposing sight when you walk around it, as this part of the submarine served as the command center and the observation platform for the crew. Along the sides, you may have noticed the locked hatches. My guess is that they lead inside where you can check out some of the original instrumentation within. Now, I can't really confirm that until I go on a tour next spring, so prepare for part 2 of this video. As mentioned in the title, this place is part of the Riverfront Trail that goes along the Columbia River, to which you can walk, jog, skate, or bike to downtown Richland. This marker here represents the planet Saturn. It's part of a scale model of the solar system, which spreads out throughout the Mid-Columbia River region here in eastern Washington. More information on this project will be linked in the description. Leaving the area of the Triton, we set out on our walk on this part of the trail. Now, I'm not going to film the whole trail yet since it's about 7 miles one way. Instead, I'm just going to head over to the nearest seating area. Now here's a great place to take a breather or even have a meal here while enjoying a beautiful view of the Columbia River. And from time to time you can see all kinds of watercraft traversing the area, especially when the weather is usually warmer. I actually filmed this video in December, and even though it's not that cold, it's probably one of the reasons you don't see too many people around the area. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please like and subscribe so that I can create more videos to share. Thank you.